What's up, guys? It's April 30th, 2024. Had a downtrend in the markets. I thought today was really cool because I had the higher time frames in mind. I knew this was the first pullback to the EMA from a higher time frame, so we were right here. I'm doing this while the market's open on 5/1, whatever the hell that month is. So I'm gonna do it pretty quick. Market is open. I was caught up yesterday. Bar by bar analysis, and we're talking about the leg one, leg two moves, and where we are in the market cycle. We have a gap down onto the EMA. Bears fail to break out. Bar one is a bull bar. Bar two is indecision. It's a range bar. Not good for the bears, not good for the bulls. It's just the market's at equilibrium, right at bar one's high. Bar three looks like a test of the EMA. We're gonna go sideways for about an hour. Give me 2 seconds here. Yeah, so market goes sideways for about an hour here. Bar four, we get a double top right here. Bar five sells off. Traders are trapped who bought the high of bar three. I think there are more buyers here because they want to get out break even. When they get back to the high of bar three, that'll turn the market into more sellers because that creates a double top. So bar three bulls that bought here will buy lower. Bar seven, we see it comes up. They get out at their original position. That creates enough selling pressure. Bar eight is a bull body, not good for the bears. Bar nine, the market came down once and it rallied up. Bullish pressure, but that's also a bear leg, so we have to keep that in mind. Bar 10, indecision right under the EMA. Bar 11, starting to look good for the bears. Still a sideways market. Lots of overlap. You could have a bear flag with the gap down, double top. These tails show selling pressure. Bar 12 breaks it below the EMA. However, we are in a range. Bar 12 doesn't close below bar 1. That kind of sucks. Bar 13 dips below bar 1 by 1 tick and reverses, so that gives a failed breakout appearance. Bar 14 is good for the bulls. It's a buy low, sell high play. The bulls have a double bottom. I think there are more buyers right here. Bar 15 shows that bulls bought back into the EMA. Bar 16, bad follow through above the EMA. And then bar 18, it looks like the EMA is still acting as resistance. Excuse me, I said bar 16. I meant to say bar 17. It's a good bear bar. It's the first leg. It's a reversal. So that's a form of a breakout. Bar 18 is follow through. We're breaking below the blue EMA and the higher time frame EMA. Bar 19 is a strong bar. Bar 18, 19, 20. The breakout is growing. We're getting strong bars below the EMA. Bar 21 is good for the bears. We broke below yesterday's low right here. Then we went sideways again. The market's kind of in a stepping pattern. Pullbacks are going to get deeper, as we can see here. Bar 22 could be profit taking. First pullback for the bears. Bar 23, typically in the first leg, in a good breakout, a low one, high one can be okay to take. This is a low one. You could take it for a scalp back down to the recent lows. Bar 24 is the second leg for the bulls. Leg one, pullback leg two. Bar 23, bears try and make a new low but fail and reverse up. Bar 25, follow through for bar 24. Not the best. Is that bar 25, 24? So why is this 27? Oh, I was off by one bar. 25, 26, 27. 27, so we have a bear flag. 27 is breaking out, but again, the market goes sideways into the EMA. We'll get that two-legged pullback here. Leg one, pullback, leg two, into the EMA. Bear flag, double top, micro double top here. The higher pattern always wins, so there's double top, breaking below the EMA, breaking below the lower time frame, breaking below yesterday's low. First pullback after a downtrend, so here, pullback here. I think yesterday was a great day for selling. The context made so much sense. So where are we? Here, double top, strong sell. I think bears definitely wanted to get into yesterday's low, but this happened very fast and that caused the market to go sideways. I was still holding my short. I got short as we broke down here, and I was holding it until we got here, but then I hit out bar 55 because I thought this might turn into an endless pullback with two legs lower. It eventually reversed and tagged. So the market goes more sideways. It's not the best for the bears. They obviously want to see trending environment. But bulls fail to make a new high. Market goes sideways like 1, pull back like 2, pull back like 3, pull back like 4. That's four pullbacks, and there is a gap right here. So it's good for the bears. They keep the gap open, and then the market's more range bound now. Breakout, first pullback, channel, and then range. That's the market cycle right there. Bears keep the gap open. Bar 55 looks like it's trying to break out the high of bar 37, but fails with bar 55. Bar 55, yeah. Fails with bar 56, the 2-bar reversal. And bears go, this is the first gap bar above the EMA. These are the first gap bars above the EMA for the bears, so that's a discount. That's a good short for them. That's what they do. They short it. Bar 57 is follow through. Bar 58 is follow through. Bar 59 looks like the market tried to reverse, but the bears bring the price back down and they sell off with bar 60. Bulls find support above bar 51. No, excuse me, bar 49, acting as support right here for bar 60, and they reverse with a pullback into the EMA with bar 61 and 62. Bar 63, 64, 65 is a strong leg lower, and it pulls back. So the market's definitely channeling. Now we have two-sided trading. Bulls are scalping back into the EMA, and bears are shorting the EMA. So we have a strong breakout, channel, range. Breakout. This could be its own breakout. Pull back into channel. Then we go range bound, and we break out again. Today's was a little bit faster. It was a downtrend, and the day's going right now. So I hope you guys have a good one. Today's FOMC, so I hope you guys did well. I really appreciate all the comments and the views. I drop these videos every day at 3 p.m. The goal is to learn how to trade and get profitable. I've been chasing the dragon all year. I'm gunning for this payout. I'm taking it very slowly, like extremely slowly. I trade, this is the slowest I've been all year, but I'm not blowing up, so. I'm not blowing up because I've just started trading, so we'll see how it goes. Really good breakout at the end of the day here. But yeah, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you guys again later today. I'm going to do today's breakdown later today. I got caught up yesterday. Appreciate you guys. Please don't drink and drive. Please use your stop loss. Have a good one. Bye.